Well, hey, 603, we're out braving the elements today. It's pouring. Chris came through with a decent permission. And we'll go see Matt. Matt just got himself something. Oh, wet, soggy rat. Well, hey guys, that's what he just got. That is an old ox knob. Very old. Nice. He goes from finding ox shoes to license plates to ox knobs.
Yeah.
But hey, good find, bud. Well, Matt got his first target, and he got a pretty decent coin earlier. I'm going to try to figure out what it is at the wrap-up, but I just had a 20-21 in the hole. Ended up being that brass buckle. The green on that. And still hunting. I'm making my way up towards that maple stand. There's a couple old buildings up behind it, but anything else will turn you back on. Well guys, we're still braving the rain. Chris just popped that, Merrick. Can't tell the year, maybe you guys can zoom in on it. I'm not sure. Come out of that packed road bed right there. But yeah, as you can see, we're braving it. The other guys are down there, Matt, Rob. Well, anything else we'll get back to you. If not, I'll see you at the wrap up. Hey guys, we're still braving it out here. I got a decent signal in the hole, and that's what we got. In my paddle up. Yeah, we are soaked. But if you enjoy it, you don't mind. There's script on it, but with the rain being wet, can't get dry enough to read it. Well, anything else will turn you back on. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see that, but we just popped a spoon. That's an old one. Look at this one again. We'll take it. We're still here, braving the weather. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. Well guys, we just dug another spoon. Ooh, that one's got fancy on it. Silver plated, I believe. Alright, anything else? We'll turn it back on. Now let's go with Chris. See what Chris has got. Chris just dug a coin.
Oh yeah.
There's no rod on it.
Yeah, he got himself an engine. There you go. Let's see if we can see the date. 1908. Nice.
You, man.
And we actually ended up finding a couple of foundations. That's on the property. It's right where I dug that big crop. Well, anything else, we'll get back to you. Hey guys, Chris just got himself a brass knee buckle. It's pinned on that side, that side. Nice find. And over there I dug up a horse loop, but it was buried in a granite post in the ground, so we just reburied it. Alright, anything else we'll get back to you. If not, I'll see you on the wrap up. Hey guys, we just come across an older bell. The clack is rotted inside. It's come out over where them stones are. Chris dug it out of there. And it looks like we're in where the barn was. There's a foundation. Hey guys, we're wrapping up. We are soaked. And here's what we got for today. Got that silver plated spoon there. Got the fancy on it. And I'm not sure what it says. Blind, old. I get that 1800s, late 1800s spoon. You can tell it looks like it's stamped. And I got a soaking Indian, some clad. We got that lock, which is cool. And I also got a brass buckle. It's probably horse that. Brass piece to a lantern. And it's Chris's. Chris got that knee buckle. You got an engine, 1908. You got that silver Merrick, the only silver of the day. You got a bell, you got some clad. Got some lead. Some brass. Here's Rob's. Rob got that nice suspender clip. And you got the same spoon I did, but his is in better shape. It's, you know, late 1800s. He got himself some clad. He got a belly buckle. It's a real cool doorknob. Glass, black glass, huh? Look at that. And then that, we thought that was an oxon. It's not. I think that goes on a sleigh. Top of a sleigh or a wagon. Mike dug one with the eagle on it, but this don't have the eagle on it. It's the same shape, and it went on the runner of the sleigh, so that's what we're assuming. We got a bullet, and we got a... that bird didn't make it far. We got a bird band with a bone. That's Matt's. Matt's always finding stuff like that. I don't know why, guys. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.